how to fix your Discord cannot log in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you are going to be facing this kind of problem, and we're going to be looking at all the steps you can follow to fix it. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. All you want to do is simply go ahead and check your Discord server status by going to discordstatus.com and check if all servers are up and running. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and verify your email and password. Simply go ahead and enter your email up top and enter your password on the bottom, and make sure that your caps lock is also off and try again. If you forgot your password, you can simply go ahead and click on forgot password and get a reset link. If that is not working, you want to check if there are any pending updates regarding with the application on your App Store or Play Store. If none of it works, you want to simply go ahead and try logging in on the browser, or even contact Discord support at support.discord.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.